Hey farmers, it's Kent Patterson here from Bute Discs, down here at Horsham Hydraulics where we get our frames made, and the guys that make the frames also deliver the frames as well. And when they're there delivering, we then set them up to your tractor. Height adjustment, the pull and hydraulic flow. I just quickly wanted to run you through this one. We're still putting this one together. We're 2 or 3 weeks away from delivering this. For just a couple of key features. We're using 250 by 150 RHS on the 62-foot frames, and this is 9mm wall, very strong there. You know, we've got big horsepower tractors on these machines, so we need to make sure the frames are built strongly. Not a lot of bracing in these machines, it's just all the strength is actually in the beam itself. We're running hydraulic tubing underneath the frame here, eliminating as many hoses as we can, nice and neat, and nicely finished off. Walking down to the center of the frame, you'll notice we've got jewels in the middle. Now these are walking wheels, walking in the center. They're fixed on the outer wing, but these tires we're using 400s by 60s by 22.5. So these are walking beams in the middle. As you can see with the hydraulics there, everything is nice and neat on the machine. Moving out to the wings, still maintaining a 250 by 150 RHS all throughout the machine. This is obviously a double fold machine, being a 62-footer. And you would have noticed in the video so far that our machines are quite low profile, and that's because we're putting our chain locators, when the machine folds up, out on the wings. We don't have those big locators that stick up out of the air. All the way through we use the same tyres on the outer wing as well, the 400s by 60 by 22.5. These are fixed though, they're not walking, but we don't do upgrades on our machines. We just put out one straightforward standard machine, which happens to be the top of the range machine. You'll see here we're using hydraulic tensioning for our chain tensioning. We don't use springs, we take out all the guesswork. These are obviously tensioned and released by the tractor cab. So when the chains are on this machine, the ram pushes out, tensioning the chain, and then when we fold the machine up to take the pressures off the frame, these rams retract. And it's all done by the tractor seat, and we set that tension when we deliver that machine from your tractor. So just a brief, quick rundown. We got a machine ready on in mid-November, another 62-foot available. So if you're in the market, give Kent Patterson a call from Bute Discs, 0429 178 741, and we'll talk about the chain options that can go on this machine.